app that was developed, and then we'll take a look at the browser. So we have here our app.js. This is where we have our logic functions, or the functions that handle the things that ReadShift does. And ReadShift will read out loud. And what's happening here is you put in text, ReadShift then takes that text and passes it through to Olama. Olama compiles that text and turns it into a format that is viable for our TTS reader, Amy. And then Amy reads it out loud. Now, our interaction is called Nyla. She is our AI, and she is what's in the back end working to make sure that everything is running smoothly. She then takes your sentence or your paragraph and parses out difficult words. And so she takes those and defines them for you. And so you can call on the defined words, and then Piper will read them out loud. And then you can also spell them. So if you've got a word that you don't know, then you can have that spelled out loud for you. So there's a bunch of different things that you can do. We're going to go ahead and get started with, we're going to get started with being able to run our Nyla instance. And Nyla is, the command for her is npm run read AI. And that will start Olama and Nyla, the model that we created for this. And then we're going to switch to a different terminal and run npm run ReadShift. And once this launches, what's going to happen is you will see the browser pop up, and it will allow you to see ReadShift, and then we'll head over to I'm going to share my whole screen, and there we go. There we go. We're going to share the whole screen. And so this popped up. This is our local instance. It's running. We're going to go to read HTML. I have some prepared text here, so we're just going to copy that. You can put whatever you want in here, though. And while this is doing this, I'm going to go ahead and inspect so you can see the console and the calls that are happening. We're going to click on read out loud. And as this is doing this, what's happening is that process that I just described is taking place, and you'll eventually hear Amy come on, and she will read this sentence out loud so that our young reader can understand in a different way. And so you see that,
Please
Piper?
remember to share your toys and be kind to your friends. A dinosaur isn't real today, but it sure is fun to imagine.
So she's read the whole thing out loud. And then while she was doing that, Nyla identified spelling challenges, and she came up with some of the words. We're going to click on define, and then we're going to hear what words she came up with.
A dinosaur is a very big animal that lived a long, long time ago.
All right. And so now we've done that. Now we can spell it. Same thing. Amy's going to spell that. While she's spelling that, I'm going to take you to some of our other pages so you can quickly see those. And
DANOSEUR. That's dinosaur. It's a very long word. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Would you like to read a sentence with the word dinosaur?
And that is ReadShift. So thank you for checking us out. And we hope that this was a great experience for you as it was for us. Have a great, wonderful day.